Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto. So I'm just going to show you an install. We're just finishing off now. It's getting quite late, so I'm just going to bring you a video which is just a little tiny demonstration of what the box is. It is an Android interface box which you can link into the cars with the NTG 6. As you can see, this is the original menu. This has gone into a GLS. GLS, is it? Yeah, GLS 2019 car today, but it will fit quite a lot of different type of Mercedes. This is your original interface here. All you simply do, hold this button here, and you then will go over to the Android side. So obviously this is all the Android side here. As you can see, it's got navigation, but this is solely an Android interface, so you can start customizing it by adding a load of apps to it, like YouTube and Netflix and all that. Navigation, this is like, just shows you that it's Google Maps here. We haven't set it up today, you see, like, but show you that bit there. That takes you back to the original. Just hold the button down, takes you back there. This is your media, so you can play music and videos through this here. Just go back here. Bluetooth, so you can take your phone calls to it. There's a browser, dashboard. This said links CarPlay, Android Auto app. We haven't set this up today, but obviously you'll obviously know that from our previous videos on YouTube. So if I just show you, for example, let's have a look, YouTube, so you can see there.
Taco record thing, right? Where if you beat the record number of tacos eaten in one sitting, you get a t-shirt and a bottle of fizz.
Can't get full screen on this, but
you can eat wings thing, which predictably is on Wednesday.
So a little look.
Again, if you can beat the record,
here,
you get a t-shirt and some more fizz.
So
the
YouTube.
40, but it's special because,
as I said, you can do all types of stuff like Netflix and stuff like that. There's YouTube Music. Don't think I've tuned into that one. No, I'm not programmed to that. Yeah, you can just do whatever with it. Then it's built-in DSP sound processor, so you can adjust the output on there. I'm not going to show you too much today, guys, because I say getting times cutting out there. But if you got any questions, give us a shout. Thank you. Bye.